Okay, this is the other half of the scenario we need. What would that be?
Cam plate?
This is an this is not a twin cam, it doesn't have a cam plate. It's cam cover.
Cam cover?
It's a hell of a box here. Is that a homemade box? That looks like it.
Alright.
Nice stall already. It was going good there for a little while. Stall again.
Figures.
Make sure you don't scratch anything, right?
Yeah. Need to get that sharpener up again.
And just do it the old-fashioned way, just rip it off. Cuttings for pussies. Put some more stuff in here. I think that's space. Look at that.
Bag of bolts.
Hardware, I like hardware. How many does it take? I don't know. Here's that we have 7. How many holes is there? I see 7. Okay, this is not a buell blast, it costs more. So buell blast only has how many cylinders?
2? 1? No, it's 1.
1. So they only use 2. Those 2. So these 2 here will not have bushings in it.
Oh.
Or they might not even have these bosses in there in the later ones.
Oh.
But I have seen buell blast covers have all 4 on there because they use whatever's available.
Yeah.
So if they're running low, they just grab one off an XB motor and stick it on there. Got the same cover. This one's an experienced one, so it's cheaper.
Oh, that's nice.
It's got some freight damage. So we're going to cut that off so we don't care. Alright, so yeah, how many bushings do we need?
4.
Because of why?
They've got 4 cams.
Because it has 2 cylinders.
That too.
These are backwards. That's why it didn't fit. This is not a regular sportster. Is that actually numbered? Oh, that's because it's numbered because it's the wrong bike. So there actually might be a difference between a sportster and a big twin. Oh, clears now.
Hey, look at that.
Wonder why it didn't work. No, it still turns the same direction. See, these are, depending on which direction they go, they work different ways.
Oh, okay.
Also, whether the location of the lifter relative to the offset is, makes a difference also. So you might not actually, even though they might fit in there, they might not run correctly if you put the Sportster cams in here. You have to look at the offsets and see if they're the same, because see, this one's going to be offset different than this one, most likely. Kind of toward the center. Nope, they both go forward, see?
Yeah.
Forward side. Forward, so it's the same offset. It's coming out the crank, so it still turns the same direction. So yeah, they should be the same.
Alright.
Just in different locations. The marks might change a little bit. But I'm going to cut the lobes off anyway, so I don't care. That's why it didn't fit, though. See? You'll have to watch the previous video. This is in the right spot now. Boom. Goes down. I can't quite turn it by fingers. Appears to fit the cover. See, the buell part fits buell. Imagine that. So we're going to do is we're going to cut the top of this case off, which means we'll be cutting the top of this cover off. This here will go bye-bye, we're not using that. And that bye, we're not using that part either. We're only going to use this part right here. And then this one over here, we're going to cut this one off right here. And then we'll make this fit on top of that.
Alright.
That's why we need the 4 cams. And I'm hoping I can trim this down enough to match up to the cam plate that goes down here. Which I forget where we had that laying. We had that laying somewhere. But the cam plate on here is only about that thick, and this is a lot thicker. So, but when I cut this all the way down about this thickness, how much of this support's going to be left, I'm not sure. Maybe not enough to use. Don't know. Yet to be determined. The other problem is I got to make sure that the cams will clear that, because that needs to stay there.
And what is that?
That is the oil pump. And that is going to be in the way of that cam and that cam right there. I'll put that on there. And so I might have to raise it up a little bit. Look how close that lines up. I didn't know it was going to be that close.
Yeah.
I thought this was going to be a lot wider than a twin cam, but look at that. It's like it was made for it. About a ½ inch on each side. That's just a little bit of welding right there.
Yeah.
Putting that right up. Still gonna be a weird gasket, but actually I can probably take the ½ inch off right here. Yeah. No, because I'm gonna use the top part of this. This will be matched because it'll be on top of this.
Oh yeah.
It's from here up. This what's gonna be different. See, twin cam, Sportster. Somewhere in the middle they match. Not sure where yet. Somewhere in the middle. And I'm going to cut all this stuff here off, so I don't care about all that. Alright, so that's going to be some more trimming to do. I haven't found another joint case yet, so I'm going to have to cut this one up pretty soon. It's getting close.
It's unfortunate.
It's only a buell.
Yeah.
We don't care about twin cams, they're a dime a dozen. And I don't care about airplane cases either.
Yeah, clearly.
Clearly I don't care about any of that stuff. So, what I want to know is, remember how we were doing our offset to this hole?
Yeah.
So this here, I want to just lined up with that hole. See how this matches this now?
Oh yeah.
You like how my measurements are close?
They are.
And we already know that this lined up with a cylinder on there.
Mm-hmm.
Plan's coming together. We have to cut this up pretty soon now. We need all these parts over here.
Yeah.
This part here needs to go out of here too. Trim that away. But I got to keep this mount here. So I have to figure out how much I'm going to cut off. And I'm not sure how much of the case I'm going to cut away here. I'm going to keep. I think I'm going to keep all this stuff here. I'm just going to cut this one away right here with a lifter. You know, it's going to fit in there. Because what you don't see is the height of this is only that much.
Right.
See?
Perfect.
You like the precision measurement I do?
I do.
It's about edge. It's about even with this edge here.
Yeah.
So I'm hoping I can machine this edge flat. And I can take this flat surface right here and just bolt it right to it.
All right.
Then I don't have to weld up any of these holes in there like those other cam bearing holes.
Oh yeah.
Pain in the ass. Weld the holes up. I can just bolt it all together and put some tack welds here and there and call it done. When you weld the deck on, we get more reinforced. But I was hoping that would kind of work that way, but don't know yet. Yet to be determined. The big problem is this here. There's no support on the cam plate when you cut the thing down to nothing.
Right.
So I'm thinking that's going to be a problem. I might actually have to duplicate this other piece of billet material, all these holes.
Oh.
I don't think this might not physically work. In which case I'll have to make that all work. know is what's the dimension of all these parts. See when I go into there. So this pump's kind of where it belongs. Extra O-rings. Yep. Didn't quite fit in there with all these cams in there. 3 cams is too many for mock-up. These holes are in the way. It's alright, we only need 2 for mock-up. We can see how the case is a problem,
Yeah.
which is good because I think this is going to be, it's going to come in between here.
Oh, perfect.
If this is in further, it would hit on the cam, but it's going to be, I think it's going to go wrap right around that pump. Hopefully. That's what I'm going to shoot for anyway. And then coming backwards, so we're going to be cutting this all off here. See, the cam's going to go through this.
Yeah.
Now this is the old mounting hole, which we don't care about. The new one, we'll have to weld some boss in there for a new hole over there. But the problem is that's going to be really close to this cam spinning around. So it might only be like a 1/2 inch 5/8 HD pole instead of a 3/4 of an inch, whatever it is now. So it's going to be a short bolt in there to make it all clear probably, but it looks like it might actually go in there. Yeah, see, it's pretty thin.
Oh, yeah.
It's not even allow any bolt in there. Might be a problem. Might lose that bolt. Might have to go lower. Might have to do something different, I'm not sure. Don't know what this is going to be. I don't think it's going to be that far back. Yeah, so if you go this direction, see it's way over here, we got plenty of room, so yeah, it's not going to be that far back. But then that also, yeah, I think I still cleared the pump. Let's sit over here. It's about center there. Yeah, it's not even this far back. So yeah, we got full bolt hole going through there.
Perfect.
Good, because I don't want to lose that bolt hole. It's kind of the important part, so I'm using this style of Trinity.
Right.
Yeah. Let's use, I wonder if we can keep. Can almost keep the damn twin cam cover here. It's almost big enough to cover it. Almost. I don't have a twin cam cover, so I can't put it on here and just see if it's going to clear or not.